Hi friends, the Stamps of Life is on the road again. This time we're going to a new show. We are so excited. We've never been to this show. It's in the Indianapolis/Danville area, and it is March 22nd and 23rd, and I will be teaching a class there. Now we're so excited to be going to a new event, and we cannot wait. It's called the Heirloom Rubber Stamp Show, and I know a lot of you have been there, and I can't wait to meet you. Now, of course, club members, you're going to get the club discount in the booth. If you're not in the club, we can fix that, don't worry. And you're gonna wanna get that 15% discount. We also have special club buttons for our club members. And I'm gonna be teaching at this show. So come see me, sign up for my class. We're gonna have a blast, and I have so much to share with you. I will see you there March 22nd and 23rd. I will see you there. Bye-bye.